What is going on, guys? I am beyond stoked to release this video. This is one of the videos that I wanted to release, but then I got kind of caught up in between. Last month, two of my uncles came down to visit Kosrae, and so we took them on a boat ride. This day was awesome. The wind was kind of strong, the waves was kind of high, but we went and we came back. It was an amazing day. Our initial plan was to take the boat on a circle island from Tafunsak all the way to Utwa, to Lila, and then come around to Tafunsak again. But then the wind was kind of too strong on the other side. We didn't take the risk. Okay, now with that said, I wanted to send out my big shout out to my friends and my family out in Kailua Kona. Thank you for watching. Also, I want to send out my shout out to Theodore Sikra all the way from Honolulu, Herman Chanidan from Sacramento, California. Of course, I want to send out a big shout out to my brother man, Lakers all day, Honolulu, Hawaii. And then to all of you who are watching, if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe to the channel so that we can keep on pushing this type of video. If you love the content that we produce here, so that you can get the notification when we release videos. Thank you very much, and I hope you enjoy this ride.
Well, as in my got the old Thailand fact when one zoom the tour zoom the Thailand fact dog mo last pela kat French ba sham ke mo du sing tama malap tamang kasi na pitche ya kan Doon na siya kabataki po dito. Kumbaga, may plan kumako na rin siya niya. Ay, kailangan wala kaya Arslong po dito yung kaya ba. Arslong kumlang si Fat na siya palit na dito. May American mga. Ow, cow. Lo naman là bác cây cơm này không có gì bộ tùng gì nghe nghe em sẽ nó phục vụ của là bác là của nhà tùng xem đấy làm những coffee nhóm
Eloso wale lila nga sumda ko tayo.
Kecil, kecil tak macam.